Agroforestry is a land use management system that integrates trees with crops or pasture. It combines agricultural and forestry technologies as a polyculture system. An agroforestry system can produce timber and wood products, fruits, nuts, and other edible plant products, edible mushrooms, medicinal plants, ornamental plants, animals and animal products, and other products from both domesticated and wild species. In this case, the land area is planted with various banana varieties, intercrop with coconut and fruit trees such as avocado, durian, and nangka. Pineapple is also planted along the side of the road. In some portion of the area, trees of different species were planted. Chicken and goats are raised.